video is on how to make cotton candy. We've got this Nostalgia brand cotton candy machine. And so we got a little trick for making different colored cotton
and
candy.
flavors.
And flavors as well. So normally you can just put the sugar right in there. We'll do a regular one with sugar first. And then we'll show you the magic trick on how to really make this, really set it off. Do it. Go ahead and explain it.
So you do a half of a tablespoon. You dump it around the middle. Then you slowly turn it on and off for just a couple, so it doesn't splatter sugar all over the place. Then you just leave it going. Then it'll start to rattle, and then it'll start to make this.
And then you've got a shish kebab stick right there.
Yep.
Nice.
It takes about 30 seconds for it to go fully, like, puff into big cotton balls, but it starts off real slow.
Nice.
To make cotton, you'll see little strands go on the side, and you just go like this. And then it just creates a little cotton. Then it'll form around the edge too.
And you just slowly start building it up on itself?
Yeah. And it'll start making a lot of cotton, and you can just go like this. Still building up. Just more and more. And when it starts to make a lot of cotton, you have to put a bit of more sugar in it. Like that. Now we're good. Then just go like this more. Bigger. Cotton gets like too long, you can slide it back on the stick more, then you can just keep going like that.
Nice.
So about here it's probably a good time, because when it gets really big it's hard to control.
That's
And
awesome.
then you could slide it off into a bowl like that.
Nice. All right, let's do the trick on how to really set this thing off.
Okay, so you actually have to heat it up before you use it, so it's easier for the Jolly Rancher to melt. So you can stop that and then put it in. It's easier to do it with one, because when you use two, it can get a bit out of control, but you're gonna be using two. Because Jolly Ranchers, they react different. You can just get it going, and it'll almost instantly start. Yeah. Yeah,
That
see?
makes it even better than the regular sugar.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells good.
Yep. And try not to get the Jolly Ranchers, like the cotton in the middle, because it'll spin out, like really chaotically.
Oh, that smells good.
Yeah.
Well, that goes quicker
Yes.
than the regular sugar.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, you can make watermelon, green apple,
Yeah.
cherry.
Back when it gets too big. Then it's best if you just do little spins like I'm doing. It gets it all stuck to the stick.
Mm.